Slime Squad, and it's Amar here today, and I was just going to show you guys this slime recipe that I just made using just only 3 ingredients. Some like soft soap body wash, some thick shampoo, and then a little pinch of salt. So I'm going to get my bowl out. I'm going to get my mini bowl out. Got my spoon right here. So I'm going to get some thick shampoo. And it's best if you use O2. It's best if you use O2 shampoo because like it has a little thick texture. So I'm just gonna pour some of it in there. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna add my thick-ish soft soap in it, luminous oils, body wash gel Dutch. So I'm gonna add some of it too. And really, I'm just gonna add a lot because I want a lot of slime. And then I'm gonna mix it. And you can see that it's already forming and it's like jelly-ish. Hey! And like it's super like it's jelly-ish, but like it's forming really good, guys. Look at that beautiful slime texture. So I'm gonna mix it. And then we have a good slime texture. Okay. Okay, so we have a good jelly slime texture. Then I'm gonna grab some of my salt. I'm gonna add about a tiny pinch of salt in there. So I'm gonna add a tiny pinch of salt in there first, and then I'm gonna mix it. And then it's coming together a little bit more, a little bit better. And I'm going to add a little bit more salt with just a teeny pinch because I don't want to over-activate it. And then it ends up just being a huge blob of liquid soap. But it actually makes slime. And it might not be as pokeable as you think, but it's actually a really good slime consistency. Like, super stretchy and all that stuff. Like, but I'm gonna put it out on my table so you guys can see it. Hopefully it's not gonna stick to my table because really I have to clean up my little mixed slime area. Okay. Just gonna give you guys a little like. It's a beautiful, not very pokeable slime, but it's some slime and it has a jelly texture, but it's still good, so I'm gonna zoom in on it. Move my bowl out the way and move my salt out the way. So this is a new slime ingredient that I have figured out, guys. So you just need some Olay soft soap. Well, some soft soap, luminous oils, and as you can see right there, it says body wash gel Dutch. And then this is what the slime ends up looking like. I mean, it's not very stretchy, but if you want it to be stretchy, I mean, I suggest you can add some salt or something to activate it a little bit better. But here is my slime. And I'm sorry if my voice is like a little but I've been feeling a little bit bad lately, but I'm still making my vids and stuff, and it's stuck on my hands. But there's a slime, and I'm going to add a little bit more salt to it so it can be a little bit more slimy maybe. But I'm just gonna add some more salt. Okay. Well, stop. Well, here's my slime. And I would suggest not adding too much salt because then it just turns watery. But if you know another word to activate so you can be all stringy and, well, not stringy, but slimy and stuff, then let me know in the comments below so you can show me, because right now it's just a huge soapy fail. You can make bubbles with it though, which is fun actually. But this is just a huge soapy fail right now. But it was slime, so that's the good thing. I actually made some slime. I actually still have some. But I wouldn't suggest adding too much salt. But I suggest using lots of salt. Okay. Bye guys, thanks for watching my video. And if you know any more slime ingredients that you want me to include in my vids, then you can tell me. Then you can leave it in the comment section below.